Welcome guys. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun. We are actually going on a supercar tour thanks to the exotic racing folks out here in Santa Monica. And we're gonna be playing with a lot of these nice ones. So we have the McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Maserati. Wish we could take the Chevy out today, but we're gonna save that for another video. All right, we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Any questions before we get rolling?
Not right now, but thank you guys because I wanted to do this my entire life. So like, this is.
So I'm glad that I can just let him drive.
Pro tip on how the exhaust works and all that? Yeah, how like if you're in manual.
Okay, ready?
Very good. Alright, we're gonna go Ferrari, McLaren, and then Lamborghini. Everyone can hear me okay? Alright, let's get to it.
Oh my gosh, I'm like so nervous.
What?
I'm nervous!
Rolls right now. Dude, you have no idea. I've been waiting to do this my entire life. Ferrari, Lamborghini. The McLaren was a surprise. I didn't know that there was gonna be a McLaren today. That I'm super excited about. Let's go. Let's do this.
Let me look back here. Boom.
My car is lowered, so trust me, I already understand.
Okay, I'm like all so nervous right now.
No.
No, not because you're driving, but just because I'm in a really nice car.
Ferrari 488, good lord. I can't believe it.
Which one's your favorite of the three?
Out of all of these, I'm probably gonna say this one, the Ferrari 488.
Oh, okay.
And we have a car guys coming, so just watch your corners.
Oh, so he's gonna like give us the heads up when.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, they could tell I was a car guy.
Yeah. Lifelong dream, huh?
Yes, accomplished right now. So that being said, I'm probably gonna have to put in my 2-week notice with the valet and let them know that I'm done.
Oh my god. We're gonna be cruising on the PCH. Whoa.
Turn right so we don't scrape the nose.
Oh, this is scary. Here we go, Thomas. Up and away.
Alright guys, so when you get out, go ahead and pull in a straight line right up behind me, and we'll stop and I'll get the GPS hooked up.
There we go.
All right. Yes.
How you feeling?
Hyped.
Hyped.
Oh, God.
Ready
So
to
ready.
roll.
Yes, no scrape.
No
We're
scrape.
good.
Perfect, just like that guys.
Nice. Nice. I'm just gonna like just chillax.
Yeah. Hang out.
I'm just like, I'm so glad I'm not driving. I feel like I would be really stressed out.
No, I'm so happy I am driving because
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna take a right here onto Colorado Avenue.
No chance. No chance in hell of me driving.
And on that note, I'd like you all to welcome you all to downtown Santa Monica. We're right in the heart of things, right between the 3rd Street Promenade and of course the Santa Monica Pier.
Okay, that is cool that he's like giving us a little tour on the
fun
way.
fact, this spot right here actually has more foot traffic than any other spot in all of Los Angeles. Obviously it's a little bit in the off season, it's Thursday morning, so it's not too crazy right now, but
Very good
as you guys know, it's hectic over here, there's people everywhere. We'll be taking a right onto Ocean Avenue. Wave hi to Frank on the right here.
This is so touristy, I can't handle it, but that's
And we'll stay in
okay.
the left lane of this road.
I'm gonna.
Oh, that shifting note.
Is it
Oh,
crazy?
that was so beautiful. Yes. Oh, that was so great.
Feels so good. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I planned on talking the entire time. Nope. No.
No.
Not at all.
Just enjoy it.
Pretty
okay?
much. We'll talk on the next video.
Just soak it all in, baby. I mean, same with me. I'm just kind of like, I'm feeling like just in chill mode.
Man. Yes.
I mean, even though
I think your coworkers are probably in meetings right now.
Just want to rev on them. You felt that kick off the line?
Yeah.
And just after the stoplight on the light, we have the iconic Fairmont Miramar Hotel and Resort.
Yes.
That you guys are very well aware of. Well, here, just on the other side of the brick walls, or top spots in Santa Monica to catch some nightlife.
That is true.
And of course, the iconic, massive Morton Bay fig tree, largest one in California, planted that about it. And if you were to keep going straight for just a tiny bit, up ahead on the right, there's the Oceana Hotel. It's one of the only hotels out here that is only suites, and it's got super easy access to the beach with the walking bridge just right over there.
Look at the gas.
All this. I know.
All the carbon fiber. Jesus.
Yep. Oh, there is no back seat. It's just.
Oh yeah, no. Back there, that's the engine.
Oh, that's the engine.
Yeah,
so that's why the trunk's in the front?
Yep.
Okay, got it. Cool steering wheel. A lot of gadgets.
Carbon fiber flat bottom steering wheel. You have shifter LED lights right up here.
Cool.
Yeah, you can pretty much change all of your different modes on the vehicle, engine start, suspension, everything all from here. So yeah, this is made for the driver.
Cool.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Oh, down the incline. Cool. Oh, beautiful. So pretty. Crazy on that intersection. Oh my gosh, crazy. I can't. All right, on the PCH now.
Drop a gear, drop two.
Whoa. Whoa! Scary. Every time.
Oh God, this is so great. One more?
One more.
Drop a gear. Oh, that is so great.
Are you excited to drive the next car?
Not as much as I am right now. Right now, I am like in my happiest state right now.
Okay, so you could drive this one all day, huh?
I would be happy, but I'm also not upset the fact that I am going to cycle through the rest of the cars. But yeah, no, I'm so ecstatic just with this one vehicle.
Time of your life.
I'm just having fun just going through the gears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have to like do something to go through the gears?
So yeah, paddle shifters. When you wanna...
Whoa. Oh my gosh, don't do that. Scary.
Oh no. Oh, we're starting to break up a little bit.
Oh, we are?
Just a little bit.
Oh, we lost him. It's okay though. As long as we're behind.
Get in the right lane here once it's clear.
Oh, right lane. Okay, it's clear. Whoa. So that they can catch up with us. Got it. Meow.
Yeah.
It's like a...
I can't believe I'm doing this right now.
Guys, just like that.
Okay. Vroom, vroom.
I'm loving it.
We do not have a green arrow, so there could be oncoming traffic. So make sure it's clear before you go. We got plenty of time.
Very good point, sir. Oh, we're good here. Going in. Vroom, vroom.
I think I wore the right suit.
Perfect, guys, just like that.
I think I wore the right suit for this too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And the speed bump here is very
Looking fresh.
And raise the nose on your car.
Raise the nose.
Again, Ferrari is the button on the dashboard left of the steering wheel. Just go ahead and press that once. The McLaren is underneath the turning signal. Just lift that stalk up, kind of like you're turning right.
Wow.
And the Lamborghini, top row of silver switches, second one to the left. Just pull that down once.
Wow.
Whoa.
Can't believe it.
And Adriano, the Raptor's pretty low. It doesn't have a nose lift. Hopefully you can make it over this one.
Wait, what happened?
So the car has suspension that will be able to adjust so it can clear going over speed bumps. Because this is a very lowered car. So the fact that it can do that and clear that with no scraping
is awesome. Okay.
Yes, very much so.
Sweet. Sweet. So this is our first stop.
Yeah.
Do the old
Right, guys,
switcheroo.
this is to Mescal Park. Go ahead and pull up right up behind me. This is going to be our first stop of the day here.
Okay. Is it snack time yet?
And once you get close, go ahead and turn your steering wheel all the way to the left.
So just finished the very first ride in the Ferrari 488 GTB. That sexy beast right there. Oh yes. So a lot of fun. V8 twin turbo with paddle shifters, but damn, that thing can just scream. It's so amazing. I love it. I didn't get a chance to push it the way how I wanted to because obviously we're not on the track, but for what this thing can do, absolutely amazing. I want one. Totally want one. All right, I'll get back with you guys here in a little bit. All right, Francie, so we're getting ready to drive the McLaren 570S.
Right.
So, you ready?
I am ready to roll.
All right, let's do this. Let's go, guys.
I got my...
So we just got the seat all dialed in, got all the controls going. This is a pretty awesome dash. I like what it is. It's very simple, it's to the point, but yeah, it's perfect for a McLaren at least. But that says a lot because McLarens are awesome. So, kicking sound system right here. We're ready. Ferrari in the front, Lambo in the back, and then we're ready to go. Let's do this, guys.
Okay.
Alright.
Why does it scare me?
Because you're not used to forced induction, that's why.
I'm not. I am not.
So the McLaren pools.
And Pacific Palisades.
Love this car.
Really not even one of the
Do you like the way it drives?
Yeah, dude. You can actually hear the turbo spool up.
Do you like it better than the Ferrari?
No.
But
No.
the average cost
Of course
of a house
not.
here is
That's a
still
stupid question, Francie.
million.
Ooh! Everybody made it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Good, good, good.
So you heard that? Did you hear that hissing noise? That's the turbo kind of spooling up a little bit.
Okay.
So we can't get on it too hard, but for what we can do, it's so amazing. It's so raw. Okay, all right, one more.
That thing is crazy. Go for it.
Drop a gear.
Forward. That's crazy. It's like I'm on like a roller coaster or something. Yeah.
The Lamborghini, it feels a
first started, I love the styling. I love the orange pinstripe. The door is super cool. I like that it's an English car. It's a little different. It's just very understated, very simple, you know, very straightforward. But the more and more I started to drive the Ferrari, I just fell in love with it. The sound, I mean, it has, what, like 120 more horsepower than the McLaren does?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when I raced that one on the racetrack, then it was, yeah, for sure, hands down. The Ferrari is just, it's, I mean, in my opinion, it's the king. It's the most expensive here. It has the most power, it has the most torque. It's a Ferrari, right?
So what about you? Which one is your favorite?
I'm kind of deep down an 8-year-old inside, so I love the Lamborghini starting off.
Okay.
And then I love the Ferrari because I got the hang of it and realized just, well, also I drove it on the track, and the thing is,
It's a beast on the
insanely
track.
fast. The Lamborghini just, the rear end's just trying to go out all the time. Then I drove this one on the track. Hands down my favorite on the racetrack. It's a lot of my racing is kart racing. That feels like a go-kart.
It does.
Yeah,
And you're in control
yeah.
in this one. This one really impedes itself on the driver. This one, you're 100% control. It's very analog.
Yeah.
This one, like how it cuts the throttle when you turn.
Yeah, it kind of, Ferrari does it a little bit. You're a little bit removed. And then Lamborghini, you're just like, ah!
Well, that'll work. Thank you guys so much for the great experience. We really appreciate it, and hope to come back and see you guys again soon.
Absolutely.
All right. Take care, guys. Go.